Hello and welcome back to my channel for another thrift flip. Please smash that like button. Today we are again taking on the Great Chanel Thrift Flip Challenge. Karl Lagerfeld took over Chanel in 1983 when the brand was suffering on its last legs. The brand began to dwindle post-Coco and he brought it back for his spring-summer 1995 runway. Many of the models wore brightly colored cropped blazers with black trim. These were matched with black mini skirts with a slit as far as the eye can see. Each was adorned with a crystal belt. These iconic looks are one of the first outfits that pop up when Google search Chanel 90s. You'll see a gorgeous Naomi clad in a green version of the look. Today we are trying to recreate a yellow version. This look was used in an advertisement
featuring top Chanel model Claudia Schiffer.
The look was so iconic, it was even worn by fashionista Fran Drescher on the Nanny. Today, to create this look, I purchased a yellow blazer from the thrift store that features black trim along the back and a black pencil skirt. We have excess crystal chain, which we are going to fashion the belt out of. Let's get started. First, you're going to try on your blazer and skirt together and measure where you would like to crop the blazer to and hem the skirt to. Lay your blazer out flat and begin to cut from the desired length. Remember to always allow for seam allowance to sew that hem. Repeat this process for the skirt. Cut off, leaving seam allowance. Try on and see if it's cut to the right length. First, sew together this open edge. Next, press down the edge, and then we're going to sew this down.
Repeat these steps for the skirt.
Now we're going to cut the slit up 3 inches. Finally, you're going to sew on this black trim to the bottom and sew on 3 buttons along the edge.
Repeat on both sides. Now thread the needle and sew on the 3 buttons, but beware, cats love buttons.
Next, take this chain and we want 1 long loop for the belt.
Connect the pieces with jump rings and pliers.
Thanks so much for watching. Please smash that subscribe button so Kitty can chase more buttons in videos. Leave any comments and suggestions for future flips down below. I'd love to hear from you. Bye, thanks.